Okay, here we are. We're going to play Twinkle Twinkle. And this is a great song when you're first learning because it all takes place in one octave range. And that means between 1 and 1. Okay, so in numbered notes, the keys are numbered from 1 on this middle 1 sticker, which is always in red. It's the only red sticker on the keyboard. So you always can just immediately look at the keyboard and go, okay, there's that red 1, and that represents the middle range of the keyboard. Okay, from there, you can see that the song goes 1, 1, 8, 8, 10, 10, 8. So let's play that on the keyboard. So here's the 1, and it does it twice. So here we go. 1, 1, and then 8, 8, 8, 8, and then 10, 10, 10, 10, and then back down to 8, 8, and then it goes, you'll notice it goes 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1. So when you use the numbers, you know exactly where you are. So let's do that again. So it goes 1, 1, 8, 8, 10, 10, 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so you can kind of sing out the numbers. That kind of helps you get used to where they are. You'll notice that on the piano keyboard, there's a group of 2 black keys and 3 black keys, and then these 7 different white notes. So the reason why that is because there was originally these 7 notes down here, and then in the medieval ages they inserted these other keys to do various things with harmony. So with this song, just to stick to the sort of the basics, let's do it again. 1, 1, 8, 8, 10, 10, 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1. Okay, now we've played through it. We've sung out the numbers. We're kind of familiar with the sort of the phone number-ishness of the notes, the note order. And we're ready to kind of like sing the lyrics to it. So you can see on your numbered notes music, you can see the lyrics. So let's do it with the lyrics this time. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So now we can sing the words and play the numbers, and now we're really playing music. Okay? Twinkle, twinkle. Try it out a couple times. Try to sing it out to yourself. Try to play through the numbers, and then when you feel like you're confident, give it a go and see if you can make it sound like the song. All right, here it is one last time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the number notes lesson. Check out our webpage and our YouTube channel for more free lessons, and I'll see you again for your next song.